Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to enable mobile gaming option in TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, search for your TikTok application. So just search for your TikTok, and you need to make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. So just search for your TikTok, and if it is not updated, make sure you are using the latest version of this TikTok application. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to just search for this application, Tender VPN. You can see Tender VPN over here. If you already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. And you can see this VPN has more than 50 million downloads. Now once you are done, you have to just connect to this VPN. So just open your Tender VPN over here, and once you open this VPN, you can see it is connecting. So you can see checking network. So just wait for it to connect, skip this, and then just click on the globe button at the top here. Once you click on the globe button, you can see United States and you can see US West. Just select US West and connect to this, and you can see connected. So I have now connected to this VPN. Now once you have connected to this VPN, just open your phone settings over here. Once you open your phone settings, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see application settings over here. So you can see apps and notifications. Just click on apps and notifications, and you can see application settings. Click on application settings, and once you click on application settings, just scroll to where you can see your TikTok application. So just wait for it to load for your apps and scroll to where you can see your TikTok over here. So you can see TikTok over here. Open TikTok and then click on storage and cache. Now clear cache and storage of your TikTok application, and once you are done, go ahead and open your TikTok application over here. So scroll to your TikTok and then open your TikTok application. And now once you open your TikTok over here, you can see the plus sign in the middle. So you can see my profile over here with more than 50k followers. Click on the plus sign in the middle. Now once you click on the plus sign, just scroll to where you can see live, and once you click on live, you can see mobile gaming. Just select mobile gaming over here, and once you select mobile gaming, you can see add topic. Select the game you want to play. You can see all the games over here. Now in this case, you need to select the game you want to play. You can see eFootball, you can see Subway, Call of Duty, you can see if your game is not here, scroll to where you can see the last end over here. You can see other game. You can see other game. Click on other game and then play your favorite game over here. Once you have selected the game you want to play, click on go live, and once you click on go live, it will start a screen recording. Now select the game you want to play. So supposing you want to play Free Fire, then you select your Free Fire over here and then play your game. So just select the game and then play your game over here. So with this you can live stream your mobile games on TikTok to your followers or anyone. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video